React lang tayo ng konti doon sa apology video ni Yana kagabi. But mine is gonna be a little bit different. I'm not gonna talk about kung anong naging itsura niya doon, kung sincere ba siya talaga or nanggagaling sa puso yung mga sinabi niya, kung talaga bang may pagbabago na tayong aasahan after niyan. The truth is, so, nung makita ko naman yon kagabi, parang I had that feeling na parang may kulang, parang pwedeng napipilitan. And that kind of reaction na sa akin, which is I believe na pare-pareho tayo ng reaction sa bagay na yan. And that is coming from kung paano nag-react naman si Yana doon sa originally video na pinost niya. Kung anong klase ng personality na meron siya doon sa video na yon. Siya yung typical na, bata pa, na makulit, na, hindi basta-basta susunod sa sasabihin mo. Anong gusto kong pag-usapan? Kasi, di ba marami naman talaga naghahangad or nagsasabi sa kanya na, gawa ka ng apology video. Si Sir Jimmy deserves an apology after nang gawin mo, which is ginawa niya. However, doing that, kung ako tatanungin from a standpoint of someone na may pinangangaralan almost every day, syempre, may anak tayo, maintindihan mo kung bakit ang isang tao hindi ka agad-agad nagbabago. You can't expect that coming from that kind of thinking ni Yana, na medyo may pagka-arrogante at medyo may attitude talaga, mag-shift ka agad siya sa isang tao na may puso. Sasabihin ka agad na may puso ako, na may, alam mo yon, na nagbago na ako kaagad. It's not gonna be easy. Yun ang reality niyan. So it's gonna be a transition na pakonti-konti, it's not gonna be alam mo yun, yung change drastic na from that masungit, from that may attitude, from that arrogant, from that, nagmumura, tapos tatanggalin mo lahat yan in a heartbeat. Hindi siya ganoon. It's a process. That's why I mentioned sa inyo na I'm also a dad, at araw-araw if needed, or once a week, or it's a process na kailangan ipaalala sa kanya, hey, what you did before hindi tama, but you have to reinforce that with more chats, more mga pag-uusap, more pangangaral. That's where family comes in. It's good that she has friends na nagsabi sa kanya, nagpa-realize sa kanya. That's good. But lagi-lagi, di ba sinasabi nga sa mga movies and even sa totoong buhay, your family is there talaga para suportahan ka, be it mali ka or tama ka, they are there. And importante yung papel ng isang family member na lagi magpapaalala sa'yo, okay, this happened, pero it has to be changed kasi hindi maganda ang nangyari doon. And yan lang, guys. I mean, let's have an open mind na it's gonna be a process for Yana na pagbabago to, okay. Her words na yung mga sinabi na niya, that's a first step, kumbaga. That's the first step, and it's good. Kudos doon sa bagay na yon. At sa akin, the sincerity, yan, kumbaga makukuha mo na yan, as long as really you have open your mind. At least nag-start ka doon. So I hope mag-continue. I hope talaga may pagbabago, because very drastic, masyadong malaki yung impact nito sa'yo. But like everyone, nagkakamali tayo. I also had my mistakes dati, and you'll only realize na may maling-mali ka pagka nararamdaman mo na yung effect. So yun lang. God bless, and I hope nakatulong ito.